Hello, freshmen, and welcome to PRISM, our LGBTQ Pride Alliance, where we promote a culture of inclusion. You can join us on Schoology. Our access code is right here. You can also join us on Zoom every Friday morning. That will be our link for the rest of the year. We support our students during the Day of Silence, National Coming Out Day, Ally Week, the big queer gathering at Elmhurst College, and many other events during the course of the year. We also support you during the school day if you need any help or if you're struggling in any way. PRISM is a place to just be yourself, and we are here to help. Our club is for you. Please join us to make 2020-2021 one of the best school years ever.